book open it. Kasi good morning guys. I'll be excited since we're doing this Mentos in the book.
Okay, go. First, what are you going to do first? You open the Mentos. And? Okay. Okay. Then? Okay. Oh, so,
I don't know how to open it.
then?
Pwede mo na to.
Okay. Open the Coke. Then, what is the next thing to do? You open the Coke. Okay, go here. Then, okay, you sit down. Okay. Then, okay. Go.
Ako na!
Oh. Okay, enough for now. Enough for now.
Wait.
Kaya habang maaga,
Mag-aral ng siyensya sa teknolohiya.
ang buhay ay gaganda. Tayo na!
That was our science experiment. But my Mentos didn't sayang. But the Coke didn't became a volcano. But he didn't become a volcano. But he did became it.